you will turn that and this. That's how you increase the pressure on the resin to have it fill the legs. But not by doing this, because this will cause resin to spill out. Okay, and you can feel this, right? When you hit pressure, you stop. And that's how you set up the Wonderbar bridge for a chip repair. Now, when you're done with the repair, you're going to lower this back down to the leveling bolts, stabilizing bolts. Okay. Now, this will release the flex, just like when you're flexing a leg and you push down and the resin goes up the leg and it's halfway up, you let go and the resin shoots forward. This is what's happening here is we're going to loosen this back down and the resin will shoot to the perimeter and tips of the legs. And then when you're done with the repair, this is the position you want to be in to cure it under pressure. And the only thing you have under pressure, really, you have want the piston in the pressure mode and then cure under pressure. And that is how you set up the Wonderbar Crackmaster bridge.